Ground source heat pump, why make the switch? If you are planning to invest in a ground source heat pump, it might be worth your time to at least get to know more about how it operates. Such a move should not only be made on a future investment, but it will also help future owners to troubleshoot the unit as the need arises. Getting a better understanding of how the unit operates would also give owners ideas on how to maximize the efficiency of the unit's function with as minimal cost as possible. A ground source heat pump is commonly characterized by the presence of pipes buried under the ground. The same form of cooling and heating device is used to ensure a supply of hot water, as heat source for a house or any other building in the form of underfloor heating systems, and for heating water for radiators is also supplied through this device. Its efficiency is ascertained regardless of the season since the temperature below the ground is constant. More and more people are enticed to invest in this form of device due to its accompanying various good features. First on the list is the significant reduction in carbon dioxide emission. Although there is emission of this gas once the unit becomes operational, the amount is quite minimal. But this can however be addressed by using renewable energy sources to keep the unit working. By fueling the unit with green energy sources, environment-threatening emissions are significantly reduced. Although the pipes are stationed beneath the ground, the unit does not require tedious maintenance. The unit is operational with very limited maintenance. Thirdly, more and more homeowners are investing in this form of device since it functions both ways. It can provide heat not only to warm the interior of the house, but it can also be used to make sure that the water supply is heated, especially during the cold winter months. Looking at it, you are only investing in a single device which accomplishes for you two different functions. Dependent on what fuel you will be feeding your unit for it to be operational, you can actually cut on the cost of fuel that you spend in a month. Since there are a number of less expensive yet very good fuels to choose from, there is always a guarantee for homeowners to really save on this aspect. By choosing alternative sources which are often green energy sources, homeowners also do their share of alleviating the ailing condition of the environment. So, why not investigate the possibility of installing a ground source heat pump today? Your guide to information on various types of heat pumps including geothermal heat pumps, http://www.heatpumpsrest.com/geothermal_heat_pumps.html. Visit our site today for more information. By M. Applebaum article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/martin_applebaum/219921